Torbati, a correspondent for the New York Times who covers Iran. She is co-author of the book Stolen Revolution, Betrayal and
flood warning in effect until Wednesday evening. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? At Hoopy River near Reedsville. When? Until Wednesday evening. Impacts at 11.0 feet. Water enters the backyards of some homes in the Joy Bluff community. Additional details at 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. The stage was 10.7 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 11.0 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 11.0 feet.
Why don't